everyone, welcome to Shadi Cook. Today we're going to learn how to make rice in microwave. It is very simple, just few easy steps and your rice is cooked. So to begin with the rice, here we have took about 1.5 cup of basmati rice. You can pretty much take any rice of your choice. The first step is to wash the rice thoroughly 4 to 5 times with water until the water is less cloudy. Next you gotta soak the rice in the water for 30 minutes. Third step is to drain that water, and here we get the rice. Now to the soaked rice we are going to add about 3 cups of water. So the proportion of rice and water over here is whatever amount of rice you take, you gotta take double the amount of water. So as we have took about 1.5 cup of rice, to that we have added double amount, that is 3 cups of water. To that we are going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. You can also use clarified butter or just the butter. Just give it a swirl. Oil helps to enhance the flavor of the rice and make it more better. Cover it with the lid, and now we are going to microwave it for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is the rice after 12 minutes. Now to perfectly cook the rice, we are going to keep it uncovered into the microwave for more 5 minutes. So now the rice is all perfectly cooked. This is just my little trick that I like to use when I microwave the rice. So there the rice is ready to be served. You can see it is very nicely cooked, beautiful, soft, fluffy, and you can see it's nice and separate. So there you go, make this very simple microwave rice and enjoy it. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. For more such cooking tips, subscribe to channel Shadi Cook. Thank you so much for watching.